Introducing the Bath Hummingbird Feeder, a perfect addition to your outdoor space. Designed with convenience and functionality in mind. There are many products available to choose Hummingbird Feeder, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best Hummingbird Feeder from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Mason Jar Hummingbird Dish Feeder. Introducing the Nature's Way Bird Products MJF1 Mason Jar Hummingbird Dish Feeder, a delightful addition to any bird lover's garden. Crafted with a unique design, this feeder offers both functionality and aesthetic appeal, attracting not just hummingbirds, but also admiration from onlookers. With 4 feeding ports, it accommodates multiple hummingbirds, fostering a lively atmosphere in your yard. Featuring a wide opening, refilling and cleaning this feeder is a breeze, while the leak-free design ensures minimal wastage of nectar. The flexible flowers create a tight seal, preventing drips and mess. Made from durable glass, the feeder is dishwasher safe, making maintenance a hassle-free task. This feeder is designed with the hummingbird's needs in mind, offering sufficient feeding distance and the 6 ounces nectar capacity. Its compact dimensions and hanging mount make it versatile for various outdoor spaces. Nature's Way Bird Products combines over 40 years of birding experience with innovative design, ensuring maximum enjoyment for both you and your feathered friends. Number 2. Hummingbird Feeder with Birdhouse. Introducing the Sui Hummingbird Feeder with Birdhouse, a delightful 2-in-1 addition to your outdoor space. This innovative feeder features a charming birdhouse atop a spacious 26 ounces glass feeder, providing a cozy nesting spot for hummingbirds, while offering ample space for multiple birds to feed simultaneously. Crafted from durable brushed copper and hand-blown glass, this feeder is built to withstand all weather conditions, ensuring its longevity and functionality throughout the seasons. Designed for convenience, the wide-mouth bottle allows for easy filling and cleaning, while the rust-proof construction guarantees lasting use. Hang it anywhere in your garden, balcony, or porch to attract these vibrant birds and add a touch of elegance to your outdoor decor. With its attractive design and practical features, this feeder makes a perfect gift for bird enthusiasts, gardeners, and nature lovers on any occasion. Bring the beauty of nature to your backyard and create cherished moments with the Sui Hummingbird Feeder with Birdhouse. Number 3. Hummingbird Feeder. Introducing the Bath Hummingbird Feeder, a perfect addition to your outdoor space. Designed with convenience and functionality in mind, this feeder is equipped with features to ensure a delightful experience for both you and your feathered friends. Say goodbye to pesky ants with the built-in ant moat, ensuring your nectar remains pristine. With a generous 23 ounces capacity, this feeder provides ample space for nectar, accommodating the needs of various bird species including cardinals, finches, and chickadees. Crafted from high-quality resin and plastic, it's durable, easy to clean, and promises longevity. The leak-proof reservoir guarantees a mess-free environment, while the hanging mount allows for effortless installation on trees or windows, instantly enhancing your garden's charm. Create a haven for hummingbirds. Number 4. Wasnose Hummingbird Feeder. Introducing the Wasnose Hummingbird Feeder, a vibrant addition to your outdoor space designed to captivate hummingbirds while providing ease of use and maintenance. Crafted with a blend of brown, yellow, blue, and red graffiti colors, this feeder boasts a visually stunning design to attract these delightful creatures. Its plastic construction ensures durability and lightweight portability, with a 26-ounce capacity to accommodate ample nectar. Upgraded features include a leak-proof design with a silicone sealing ring, preventing any nectar leakage and enhancing the feeder's longevity. The addition of a snap mechanism ensures a secure attachment between the base and perch, optimizing installation efficiency. The built-in ant moat provides added protection against unwanted pests, ensuring a hassle-free feeding experience. Furthermore, the feeder's flower-shaped ports are intricately designed to mimic natural flowers, enticing hummingbirds for longer visits. Easy to fill and clean, thanks to its detachable base and included cleaning brush, this feeder offers convenience without compromising on functionality. Embrace the beauty of nature with the Wasnose Hummingbird Feeder, a testament to innovation and customer satisfaction in bird feeding solutions. Number 5. Hummingbird Feeder with Birdhouse. Introducing the Sui Hummingbird Feeder with Birdhouse, a delightful 2-in-1 addition to your outdoor space. This exquisite feeder combines functionality with aesthetics, featuring a birdhouse atop a hummingbird feeder. Crafted with care, the antique copper birdhouse offers 3 perches for tiny visitors, while the hand-blown glass feeder below boasts a generous 26 ounces capacity for nectar. Its transparent design facilitates easy refilling and monitoring of nectar levels. Durability is ensured with thick glass and high-quality metal, making it weather-resistant and long-lasting. Assembly is a breeze, and its hanging mount allows for versatile placement in gardens, balconies, or porches. With 5 ports, it accommodates multiple birds simultaneously, fostering a lively avian atmosphere in your garden. Not just functional, but also a charming decor piece. This feeder makes a thoughtful gift for bird enthusiasts, gardeners, or anyone who appreciates nature's beauty. Share the joy of bird watching and enhance your outdoor oasis with the Sui Hummingbird feeder with Birdhouse. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any king of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more